Okay, what's up guys, Mark Augustine here, and in this video what we're going to talk about is the fastest way to make money drop shipping on Amazon in 2022. So like the video, subscribe to my channel, and this is going to be a bit controversial because of, well, you'll see. So like the video and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave it up in the comment section. So with Amazon dropshipping, you have a couple of options. You could dropship from retailers, you could dropship from wholesalers, you could dropship from obscure retailers, and those are generally the most common ways of the common suppliers they use in Amazon dropshipping. Now, dropshipping from retailers is completely against Amazon terms of service. Now, Amazon clearly states that you should not be dropshipping from Walmart, Home Depot, and all these places. Their dropshipping policy talks about you need to be sell on record. There shouldn't be receipts, Walmart receipts or Walmart boxes or Home Depot boxes and so on. And that's against Amazon terms of service. Now, if you are caught doing that, you'll be suspended the first time. They'll ask you for a plan of action. Then you'll get suspended a second time, and you could appeal it. And if you don't know how to beat certain triggers that Amazon could tell you dropshipping from retailers, you'll be suspended a third time, and on the third time you generally can't get the account back. Why am I talking about this? Because the fastest way to make money with Amazon dropshipping is by using retailers as your supplier. Now, this might sound counterproductive. I just talked about the fact that you could get suspended, and after getting suspended 3 times, you're not going to get your account back. Cheers, that's true. Because of the mere size of the inventory that these retailers carry, Walmart, Home Depot, Webster to a lesser extent, Academy Sports, you have a wide range of products, hundreds of thousands or millions of products that sell regularly on Amazon, and people are still doing it every day. So you could do wholesalers, and there are certain strategies you use, but the quickest and fastest way to make money with Amazon dropshipping, even though it's against the terms of service, even though your account may not last for 5 years, you're looking at 1 to 2, maybe 3 years, that's just the fastest way to make money Amazon dropshipping. So if you disagree, let me in the comment section. I know a lot of you might dislike the video, but I'm just giving you guys the truth. So anyway, have a good one, guys. Check out the link in the description for my Amazon group, for the Mark Show group. I'll put my Instagram as well. Follow me, reach out to me, let me know how I can help you. Peace.